Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm on my walk and I just came across a few of snowy waxcaps, so I'm gonna show you what they look like. And just be very careful because these have deadly lookalikes. I will leave it in a description. So this one is a snowy waxcap. It's nice and delicate one, but you need to be extremely careful. It's definitely not for the beginners, and you should be always cautious with white mushrooms anyway. I will show you from here. So there you have it, snowy waxcap. Thanks for tuning in.